Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn three more sounds. The first one is O, as in on. Let's practice. All, ball, block, boss, pot, broad, broad, call, cold, cut, cos, cloth, cloth, cost, cough, coughed, crawl, cross, down, dog, dawns, draw, fall, fault, fog, fought, frog, frost, goal, golf. The next sound is a diphthong, I. Let's practice. I, eyes, idea, iron, item, ivy, arrive, assign, kind, kite, knife, life, light, might, mind, nice, nine, pilot, polite, price, quiet, remind, style, buy, cry, dry, fly, fry, guy, high, July, pie, reply, shy, sigh, sky, spy, tie, try, and why. The next and the final sound is O. It is also a diphthong. Practice. About, allow, bow, cloud, coach, cow, crowd, dog, eyebrow, flower, house, how, loud, mouse, mouth, now, powder, shout, south, thousand, tower, bower, mount, bounce, brown, clown, count, down, downtown, down, found, frowned, gone, ground, noun, playground, pound, round, sound, and town. With this, we finish this practice.